Hello, reception. This week, we're going to be learning about robots. Robots can be made of many different things. The things that robots or anything is made of is called a material. Material. Some examples of the different materials that we're going to learn about are wood, wood, wood. This pencil is made of wood. Wood is also a natural material. That means it comes from trees. Another material that we're going to learn more about is paper. Paper. Paper is also a natural material because it also comes from trees. So wood and paper come from trees. There's lots of other materials as well that are not natural, but that we're going to learn about. One of the materials is called metal. Metal. Metal comes in many different forms, but it always has some similar characteristics. Characteristic is, or a property, is something that we know about that material. So the property of a metal material is it's often shiny. So you can see this material, because it's metal, this container is made of metal, it's a little bit shiny. Metal, when you tap it, especially when it's open like this, can also have an interesting noise. This water bottle is also made of metal. Another material that we're going to learn about is plastic. Plastic. This water bottle is plastic. Plastic is very strong. Sometimes you can see through it. And lots of things can be made of plastic. Now, let me show you some more key vocab that we'll need to know about all of these materials. Let me just share my screen. Okay, so material is what the things around us are made of. So the first key vocab that we need is material. Material. Our next key vocab is property. Property. And the property of a material is the ways that we can describe that material. So we know what we know about that material. Some properties are strong. Strong. So strong means it's not easily to be broken. And wood and metal are strong. Wood and metal are also rigid. Rigid. Rigid means that we can't bend it, we can't move it very easily. So I can't move this pencil. If I try to move it, it's going to break. If I try to snap it or bend it, it will break. Whereas paper is flexible because I can move it and it doesn't break. Like I said already, some materials are natural. Natural. If a material is natural, it can often be found or come from something that's found outside or in the world that doesn't need to be made. So for example, wood and paper come from trees. So they are both natural. Like I said already, when you can bend something, it is flexible. Flexible. If you cannot bend it, it is rigid. Rigid. Now, you have watched some of the different properties of materials that we're going to be learning about. And you've seen some examples of those materials. What I want you to do is, can you find some different things in your house that are made of? Number one, paper. Can you find something in your house that's made of paper? Now, did you know that cardboard is similar to paper and they're made from trees? So you could find something made of cardboard if you don't have any paper. That's number one. Number two, can you find something in your house that's made of plastic? So remember my example, the water bottle is made of plastic. Can you find something in your house made of plastic? And number three, this might be tricky, can you find something in your house that's made of metal? What I want you to do then is, can you take a picture and put it on your tapestry to show your teacher that you found some different materials in your house? You might also be able to tell them some of the properties of that material that I've shown you in the video, so that I know that you've watched this video. Can you tell me the following secret ingredients? Okay, now I'm going to tell you a silly name of a robot. If you can tell your teacher that silly robot name, then we will know that you've watched this video. So the secret ingredient is the robot name Turnip. Turnip the robot. It's silly because it doesn't exist. But can you tell your teacher that you know that the secret silly robot's name is Turnip? Let us know that you've watched this video by telling us that secret ingredient. See you soon. Bye.